Hi everyone, it's Vicki from Minerva and I'm here today to say a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed to our channel here on YouTube. We are absolutely delighted and a little bit blown away that we've reached 80,000 subscribers in such a short period of time. We are so happy that you guys are loving the content we are putting out. We do put so much work into, between our team of tutors, in putting out our sew-alongs, our pattern and fabric pairing videos, our sewing bee catch-ups, our This Month at Minerva videos, and all the different videos and content that you see on the channel. So it means so much to us all here. All the tutors that you can see on camera, myself, and everybody behind the scenes as well, who work so hard to be able to get all this amazing free content out to our wonderful subscribers. So we thought it would be a nice thing to do to offer a giveaway, sort of in celebration of reaching this huge milestone. So you can be in with a chance of winning one of 10 £50 gift cards to spend at Minerva. So you can spend that on, you can buy fabrics, patterns, haberdashery, whatever you like off the Minerva website. And it's really simple to enter. So all you need to do is be subscribed to our channel here on YouTube and just drop us a comment below. So let us know what you like on the channel, what sort of videos you like to watch and perhaps what you'd like to see more of in future. And what we'll do is we'll go through all those comments, all that feedback, and we'll use that to help shape what sort of content we put out going forward. If we know you love a particular thing, we'll do more of that, and it'll just help us shape the content on the channel going forward to make sure we're giving you the sorts of videos that you like to watch. So yeah, like I said, all you need to do is make sure you subscribe to the channel. So just hit the bell and just leave us a comment telling us what you love to watch and what you'd like to see more of. And we'll contact the winners in due course. And all the T's and C's, will be below. So yeah, thank you so much again. Like I say, we're a little bit blown away. We're so happy, so delighted that we've reached 80,000 subscribers. We can't quite believe it. And yeah, it really just makes all the hard work that all the team put in into producing all this free content. It really makes it worthwhile, and yeah, certainly puts a smile on our faces. So thank you so much. We really do appreciate every single subscriber. And yeah, don't forget to enter the competition, and you might be one of the 10 lucky winners who wins a gift card to spend on absolutely anything you like at Minerva. Thanks so much, everyone.